Hi friends, today I want to show you this product. This is a pink cropped vest. Let's go open it. Look at this. This is the vest. You can see the color. That is perfect. It's beautiful. It's so sweet. So this vest, you can use it with any outfit in a formal or informal situations, for the school, for your office. This is a small size. So let's go try it. Look at this. I'm sorry, a small size. This vest is a small size too. It's cropped, as you can see. So the best part of this vest is that it's elegant but casual too. So you can use it in any situation in your day. In a Christmas party, for example. So look at this. The bottoms are so beautiful and have this detail here that made perfect for your office. So I highly recommend this top. See you.